Now let's move to a new letter. هذا حرف جديد. This is a new letter. غين غين غ غ. It's written just like عين as you see with a dot above. Look, it's written like this. As you can see, the letter غين is written just like عين with the addition of one dot on the top. Let's study these words. Language is لام غين تاء مربوطة. The lam has ضمة, so it will be لو, and the غين has فتحة. Then تاء مربوطة here at the end, and we stop here, so we pronounce ها, H. So we say لغة, 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 language. Tomorrow, غين, دال, ألف. The غين has فتحة, so we say غا. The dal has تنوين, and because it's تنوين الفتح, it's followed by ألف. So here we say غدا, غدا. غدا means tomorrow. The next word means small or young. صاد, غين, يا, and را. صا, غي, long vowel here, E, then R. صغير, صغير, صغير. The next word, it means Morocco or the fourth prayer in the day. It's called Maghrib prayer. Yes. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ghain, Ra, and Ba. Al, then Mim Fatha, Ghain Sukun, Al Magh, then Ra Kasra, Ri, then B. Al Maghrib, Al Maghrib, Al Maghrib. The next is the Arabic language. The Arabic language, like this. Before that, we studied the Arab, Arabi, and she is Arab, Arabiyah. So for male, we say Arabi. For female, we say Arabiyah. Here, Lugha is language, the Arabic language. In Arabic, we say the language, the Arabic, like this. Because as we said before, the adjective in Arabic comes after the noun, not before it. In English, we say the Arabic language. But in Arabic, we say the language, the Arabic. So language is lugha. Here it's preceded by al, the, and Arabiya, Arab or Arabic, and it's preceded by al. So we say al-lu, al-lughatu, al-lughatu. This is the first word. The second word is al-arabiyyah, al-arabiyyah. When we connect the two words, this alif in al-Arabiya will be silent, so it will be al-lughatul arabiyyah, al-lughatul arabiyyah. The next, the prayer of Maghrib, prayer is salah. Here, salatu, and when we connect the two words, the alif in the beginning of al-Maghrib will be silent, so it will be salatul Maghrib. Salatul tul Salatul Maghrib. Don't say Salatu al, no, but say Salatul Maghrib. So the alif here is written but not pronounced. We pronounce it when we start with it. If you say Al Maghrib, okay, but here we say Salatul Maghrib. Khadija is a student from Morocco. Khadijatu طالبة من المغرب. From is min, but here we join min and المغرب, so we say من المغرب. خديجة طالبة من المغرب. The next one, Ibrahim is an engineer from Guinea. إبراهيم مهندس من غين يا غين يا إبراهيم مهندس من غينيا. The next one, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday is أمسي, و is and. Then today is اليوم, and after that و again, which means and. Tomorrow is غدا. Here غا, and this is دال with تنوين الفتح plus ألف. غدا. و then اليوم. When we join these two words, we say واليوم. So the alif in the beginning of اليوم will be silent here. So we say واليوم. أمس واليوم وغدا. The next one, يا حسن ماذا تدرس? What are you studying? تدرس, you study for male. For female, it will be تدرسين. So here, يا حسن. This is a man called Hassan. ماذا تدرس? But here, when we speak to Maryam, a woman called Maryam, we say, يا مريم ماذا تدرسين? ماذا تدرسين? We can put يا حسن and يا مريم at the end. So it will be ماذا تدرس يا حسن؟ ماذا تدرس يا حسن؟ And here ماذا تدرسين يا مريم؟ The next one, I study the Arabic language. I study is أدرس. So you study for male تدرس, for female تدرسين. I study أدرس. أدرس, then اللغة العربية. The language, the Arabic. Like this. In English we say the Arabic language. أدرس and then اللغة and then العربية. When we join the words, the alif in the beginning of اللغة will be silent, and the alif here also in العربية will be silent. So it will be like this. أدرس اللغة العربية. أدرس اللغة العربية. The next one, I don't study or I am not studying the French language. Here we use لا plus أدرس. أدرس means I study. If you want to say I don't study, you use لا. Before that we studied I love, أحب. If you want to say I don't love or I don't like, you say لا أحب. So لا means no, and also means don't or doesn't. So here لا أدرس, then we join the words لا أدرس اللغة الفرنسية, like this. لا أدرس اللغة الفرنسية. The next question, what do you want for male and here for female? ماذا تريد? ماذا تريد? You ask man now. If you ask woman or for female, you say ماذا تريدين? ماذا تريدين? So we use this in always with you female, like تدرسين, تحبين, تريدين. ماذا تريدين? For example, يا أحمد ماذا تريد؟ يا فاطمة ماذا تريدين؟ I want this book. Book is كتاب, and الكتاب means the book. هذا, this for masculine. So we say أريد هذا الكتاب. We join the words. أريد هذا الكتاب. أريد هذا الكتاب. And you can say I don't want this pen. So we use لا before أريد. It will be لا أريد هذا القلم. This word alone or separately will be القلم. But when we connect it with the previous one, this alif will be silent. So it will be هذا القلم. القلم is masculine, and الكتاب too. That's why we use هذا not هذه. So لا أريد هذا القلم.